Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn WhatsApp marketing automation for your shoes business leads. Suppose I am having a footwear store and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead by using Bati. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action I'm going to take Vati, through which I want to send WhatsApp template message. If you want, you can also take any other application such as AI Sensei or Interact. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp template message to our Facebook leads for shoes business. So this is the page which I am running named as Fashion Fusion for my shoes business on Facebook, and I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp template message should be sent through Vati to that Facebook lead. And in order to automate this process, we are going to integrate Facebook lead ads with Vati, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once you will reach on this home page, we will find two options over here: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And this has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And we can also create folders over here in order to save our workflows. As you can find, I have two folders over here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating folders, you can save your workflows accordingly in them. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. Let's do that. And a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name here. Send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for your shoes business. Okay. Now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations folder. And now we will click on create. As we do that, two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger here says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Now whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and will initiate it. And the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati, through which we want to send WhatsApp template message in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads for our shoes business, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using that response, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead through Vati. And here our action is the response towards our trigger. Now, after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, that is Facebook lead ad. So let's select it. And now we are going to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So we are going to select new lead instant as our trigger event, as we want that as soon as a lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, the workflow should get start. Okay, let's click on connect. And here from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to create a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. After doing this, we will click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And here we can find that as we do that, our authorization has become successful. So since I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and very easily my Facebook lead ads account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your applications before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect. Now after building the connection, we will move further, and here it is asking us for the two details: Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with it. Now to understand this, let me again take you towards my Facebook account, and after coming here we can find that this is the page which I am running for my shoes business Fashion Fusion. Okay, and I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads for promoting my business. So I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated by submitting that form, automatically the response of that lead should be captured in Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, we will have to connect this page and the form with Pabbly Connect, and that we are going to do by selecting the page over here. So first of all, let's select the page Fashion Fusion. And the next thing we are going to select is the lead gen form. So I have created multiple forms over here. I want to select this new contact form, as I want that as soon as a person is going to fill this new contact form, then only the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. And after selecting the page and the form, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. So as we do that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. Now what does this mean? This means that now we have to do a test submission by filling up this form which we have selected, so that the response could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to do that? With the help of Meta for Developers. So let me take you towards Meta for Developers. After coming here, we have to go towards My Apps, and we will find the option of Tools over here. So let's select it. Now it has taken us towards Developer Tools, and under Other Developer Tools, we will find the option of Lead Ads RTU Debug Tool. We will select it, and it is going to take us towards Lead Ads Testing Tool. So what is this tool? This tool is going to help us in order to test our integration with Pabbly Connect. So here we are going to select our page and the form which we want to use, and as soon as we will fill that form, the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. We are doing a test submission over here because I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page for my business. But in your case, when you will run a live campaign and then you will create the form, automatically whenever a new lead will submit that form, the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now let us select the page. So this is my page, and here automatically the form is selected. So if you are using any existing form, then you have to delete your existing lead with that form first, and then you have to create your new lead. Okay, because this is a new form which I have recently created, therefore I'm directly clicking on preview form, and the form is open in front of us. So this is a contact form, and now by submitting this form, I'm going to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. So with the dummy details, I'm going to fill this form. First of all, let's start with the first name. Let's say the first name will be Demo. Here I'm going to enter a last name, let's say lead, demo lead, and a random email. At last, I will enter a contact number also, just a random contact number. Okay, now after entering all the details, let's click on next, and we will submit this form. So after submitting the form, we will go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that we have received the response. So as soon as we have submitted the form, the response is being captured over here with all the details: first name, last name, email, and the contact number of the person. Now, because we have received this response, that means our integration is successful, and we have successfully integrated our lead gen form with Pabbly Connect. So after receiving the response, we will move further, and our next motive is to send a WhatsApp template message to this particular lead, and that I'm going to do with the help of Vati. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp. If you want, you can also use any other application here in place of Vati, such as Interact or AI Sensei, in order to send WhatsApp template message. Here I'm going to connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we will select the action application as Vati, and now we have to select the action event. Our action event will be send template message. Click on connect, and now from the given options, I'm going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with Vati account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now, as we have clicked on add new connection, here we have to enter two details: API endpoint and access token. So from where we are going to find both these details, for that instructions are provided to us. We just have to go towards our Vati dashboard, and then we have to click on API docs, and then we will find both the details: API endpoint and access token. So let me take you towards my Vati account, and we will go towards API docs. And here are both the details: access token and API endpoint. First of all, let us copy the API endpoint, and we will paste it over here. And the next is access token. So again, we will go and copy the access token, and we will paste it here quickly. Done. So in the same manner, you have to find both the details, and now we will click on save. As soon as we have done that, our Vati account is connected with Pabbly Connect successfully. So after building the connection, we will move further, and here we have to enter the details in these fields in order to send the WhatsApp template message. First of all, it is asking us for the WhatsApp number on which we want to send the template message. So here I want to send the template message to my Facebook lead, and we have received all the details of that lead from our earlier response. So what we are going to do, we will use the same details in order to map the data over here. So what is mapping? Mapping is inserting the data from our previous step. So here We will simply select our previous step like this and we will find all the details. We want to map the number is given over here. When we will select it will be mapped automatically. Now why we have mapped this number instead of entering it manually? Because we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads and the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, automatically the data in this field, that is the number in this field, should get replaced with a new number of that new lead. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and then the workflow will get stuck and then we will not be able to send WhatsApp template message to each and every Facebook lead. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we have mapped the number over here. Now, after mapping the number, let's move further. The next thing it is asking us is the template name. Now, in order to understand this, again, I'm going to take you towards my Vati account and we will go towards templates section. And here are all the templates which I have created for different purposes. In order to send WhatsApp template message to my shoe business leads, I have created this template named as shoe business. I will open it and show you. The name of the template is shoe business. I have selected the category as marketing and I have used English language to send the message. Okay. This is the preview of the message. In the header of the message, I have used the name of my store, that is Fashion Fusion. So whatever you are going to select in your broadcast title, it is going to be shown in the header of your message in bold. If you want, you can also attach an image along with this message in the header by selecting broadcast title type as image. Okay. This is the body of my message. Hello name, thank you for choosing us. Here are the exciting offers we have for you from our side. Enjoy 30% off on all your orders this week, plus get extra 20% off on your first 2 orders. Apply coupon code FIRSTSHOE20. Thank you, Team Fashion Fusion. Okay, so this is the basic message which I have kept. In the place of name, because I have used a variable, therefore with each and every response, this name is going to be replaced with a new name of a new person. In the same manner, by applying variables in your message, you can customize your template message for sending messages to multiple people. I have kept the message very basic. You can even create it in more customized and creative format according to your choice. If you want, you can also attach a footer line along with this message by using this footer option and even a call to action button. Now, once you will create your message and you will apply the variable, you also have to provide a sample content for your variable. As you can find, I have used only one variable over here for name. So I have provided only one sample content, that is a dummy name over here. Sample content is not required always to be exact. You can also add the dummy details over here. Okay, now once you will complete your entire template, you also have to send it for approval, and once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send WhatsApp template message to multiple people. So my template is approved, therefore I'm going to use it in order to send messages. So here I'm going to select the same template in Pabbly Connect, and we can find that the template name is selected correctly as shoe business. The next is the broadcast name. In this field, we have to enter the broadcast title which we have used in the template in the exact format. Okay. So I will again go on my template and this is my broadcast title, Fashion Fusion. I am simply going to enter the same over here, Fashion Fusion. Okay, done. The next and the most important thing is custom parameters. Now in this field, we have to enter the values which we have used in our variables. So I have used only one variable in my template. Therefore, I'm going to enter the custom parameters for one variable only, and it must be in this exact format, that is the key and the value pair. So what we are going to do, we will simply copy this format from here and we will paste it over here. And now we are going to make the necessary change in this format only. So in the place of name, we have to give the name of our variable which we have used, and in place of value, we have to enter the value which we want to use for our variable. So let's say my variable is for name. So in the place of name, here I'm going to enter name only. And in the place of value, I'm simply going to map the name from my previous response, that is first name demo. Okay, now because I have mapped this name, it is going to be replaced with each and every response, and because I have entered the name of the variable manually, is going to be remain same with each and every response. So in the same manner, you have to enter your custom parameters. In case you want to enter the value for more than one variables, then you will use a comma here, a space, and then again you will copy the same format and then make the necessary changes in that. Okay, now because we have entered all the details successfully, let's click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response. Along with the response, we have also received the contact ID. That means the message has been sent on WhatsApp on the number which we have mapped over here. So let's go and check on WhatsApp. And yes, here we can find that we have received the message from Fashion Fusion with the same content. Hello demo, thank you for choosing us. Here are the exciting offers we have for you from our site. Enjoy 35% off on all your orders this week. Plus get extra 20% off on your first 2 orders. Apply coupon code this. Thanks Team Fashion Fusion. The same message which we have used in our template. This means that our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Vati. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our shoes business, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead by using Vati. In the same manner, by following the same steps, you can create this automation very easily, and even you can create your template message in more customized and creative format to reach out to your customers for your shoes business without any manual efforts. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.